Once I do this, you guys can manually bleed the brakes, okay?
All right. It just fascinates me, computer controlling all this.
Uh-oh, something messed up. I think it about got the air out of her. What's that, bud? That about got the air out of her. There you go. Okay, you should. All you have to do now, suck fluid regularly out of the brakes.
Good to go.
Good to go. And you will get brakes and the anti-lock will work, it just the lights won't go off too fast.
You notice the airbag light's not on the dash. That's pretty good.
That's amazing.
Yeah.
What? There was one in the wood pile?
No way. Wood pile.
Well, what it does is it takes fluid from the master cylinder and pushes all the air out of the ABS module that you wouldn't be able to pull out regularly until I pump it out of the module and then down into the lines. Then you can pull the air out of the lines.
You're pulling anything? Yeah, a little bit.
Find all your loose ends. What I mean by your loose ends, find your trunk wires or that trunk jar line's going to stay in. Figure out what this wants as far as the door. Does it want ground? Does it want brake? To tell you the door is not a jar is a jar because you're going to want to wire it into a door switch. Okay. The same thing's going to happen with the hood. You're going to have an anti-theft problem with the hood one day. You're going to want to put a hood switch on there so the computer knows the hood.
Well, we got this.
Going slow.
8 years now.
Going slow.
Oh yeah, they got mines where there's no operators. This stuff's out there running itself. Well, they're 18 wheelers are next. These big trucks. But I don't know why they couldn't have that on them tires.
I don't think that's your hit switch, boss.
There's here stood right out here in the gravel pit.
The hood latch?
Rocks up.
Unless it's magnetic. Looks like it's solid state electronics.
They dodged stuff.
What I mean by that is
Well, they throw a rock on the ground too.
charge there.
Chevrolet used to have.
They need that. And I guess it's better than human error.
I'm recording everything he's telling you to do.
I don't want people here.
They probably got a way to back that up.
What kind of computer is that?
It's got a way in.
Down to about half. Where? It's acting like a